The Cortex LT is programmed by using functional block diagrams. Different applications can be accomplished by interconnecting the blocks in different configurations. Each block can be displayed by using the Function Blocks menu. As an example, let's open the Digital Input 1 block. As you can see, the parameters are shown in a block diagram format to help convey each parameter's function. Read-write parameters are displayed in a black font, and read-only parameters are displayed in a gray font. A parameter can be changed by simply clicking on the parameter, entering the new value, and clicking OK. As a simple example, let's build an Accel D-cell application. Let's start by opening Logic Switch 1. A logic switch is simply a 2-input, 1-output switch. The switch is controlled by the coil parameter. I can manually actuate the switch by changing the coil value. In our application, we want the coil parameter to be controlled by a digital input. The digital input can be linked to the coil parameter by simply dragging and dropping the blue arrow from the input block to the coil parameter. Notice that the coil parameter color changes from black to blue. The color blue indicates that the parameter value is controlled by a link. Now if I close the external switch connected to digital input 1, the switch changes accordingly. Now let's connect an analog input to the on value of the logic switch. Open analog input 1. Drag and drop the blue arrow from the input block to the on value. The analog signal is converted to a percentage and linked to the on value. When digital input 1 is closed, the external potentiometer signal is passed through the switch. When digital input 1 opens, a value of 0 is passed. Now let's open the Accel D-cell 1 block. I can link logic switch 1's output to the ramp input parameter by dragging and dropping as before. Now when digital input 1 is closed, the potentiometer signal is switched to the ramp input parameter. The ramp output slowly increases to the input level at rates defined by the Accel and D-cell time parameters. Now all that's left to do is link the Accel D-cell 1 output to an analog output. For this, let's open the analog output 1 block. Again, use drag and drop to link the parameters. The application is now complete. Click on the LT Save toolbar button to save the settings. This simple demo exercise displays some of the features and capabilities of the Cortex LT. A typical industrial application will be more complex and use many more blocks. The software provides an LT builder that uses a wizard interface to assist you in building many common industrial applications. After running the builder, you would typically only need to calibrate the inputs and outputs to get the application running. Please check out our additional videos at Carotron.com, including ones focusing on the LT builder. Thanks and goodbye.